Sure. And now some tomato ketchup. Wow! All right, Noodle. Now we just need some spoons to stir it up.
Coming right up. I think yellow for you today.
Good job.
I will green.
All right, let's stir it up.
Stirring, stirring, stirring it up. Wiggly worms, eat 'em up.
Well, it's all mixed up. Now we can add our spaghetti wiggly worms. Since worms aren't this long, we'll break it in half and drop them in dry just like that.
What about the rest of the spaghetti?
We'll be able to use that later.
Okay.
While those are cooking, we can clean up. Right?
Good job, Mommy.